Hey, Camryn. Good morning. It's time.
Got not even 3 hours of sleep.
Wow. Where are we going though? That's worth it. We're headed to Orlando.
I'm tired.
It's not full. Did you hear that? They said the flight is not full.
What?
I'm gonna get my own row. Wow. Nice.
Heck yeah. I'm taking it. That's it. It's just mango, I think. Maybe apples.
Did you hear that? It's not full flight. That's good. Camryn, started your birthday trip.
This is Hayden, you're on the vlog. Oh, he's yawning. He's so excited, guys.
We are here. We're getting on our first ride of this short trip. It's the Orlando Airport tram. It's a baggage claim. Woohoo! Alright, and then we'll get on an Uber.
My toes got cold.
Since I forgot to vlog, I'm gonna go ahead and play blackjack for y'all, a couple of hands. I got my coffee, and then I mean, just look at you just can't beat this, man. I can't even see it. The window's dirty, but never mind. I lied. Oh, we're back. I don't like to take insurance. No, but stand on that. You win some, you lose some. Is it supposed to say shout out Delta? Dude, I got black coffee and I got blackjack on the screen. Dude, I'm in the 1920s right now. Delta, you truly have outclassed yourself.
Alright, we have made it to Old Key West. It's so pretty. And we're waiting on our Uber. We're getting ready to go get some breakfast at El Compass, which will be a new experience for us. Riley and Shaq have done it. Brooke and Chris have done it.
We're excited.
But we have not. So we're going to go eat there. And then hopefully
Hayden's in
our
Atlanta.
room will be ready. And we can come back and freshen up and check into the room. Hayden and Hensley land around 1:15-ish.
Yeah.
That.
He doesn't know. He asked me, he said, what? So, Hayden Hensley, in case we haven't explained this yet, Hayden is my boyfriend. Hensley
Oh,
is...
yeah, sorry.
Yeah, Hensley is his sister, my friend. Well, they don't really communicate. So I told him yesterday that she's flying out of a different airport. And then he just asked me on the phone, he said, do you know what time Hensley's landing? I was like, babe, ask her. So, anyways.
And you'll meet them in the vlog this week, which we're only here for 2 days. We're here for Camryn's birthday. And they are joining us. So it's going to be a fun couple of days. We're hitting up Hollywood Studios tomorrow. We have a reservation at Boma for dinner tonight, for birthday dinner, because Hayden wants to see the animals.
He's like a little kid that likes the zoo.
So he wants to go see animals. So we're going to go do that and eat at Boma. And then tomorrow's Hollywood Studios Day. It's going to be a great day.
Mighty Patch did me dirty, you guys.
Yeah, we
Look
got to
at
get that.
So I'm
We're
getting
gonna-
ice. ChatGPT said ice should do 40 or 50% of the work, and that really it's this one. This is the worst, because honestly, this is like whatever. This is one that's like, are you kidding me? It looks like I got punched in the face.
All right. Well, we will check in at Yacht Club at El Compass. Alright, I got the steak and eggs, and it comes with a hollandaise sauce, and then, oh wait, wow, there we go, and then potatoes. Riley, or Dakota got the same thing. What'd you get?
Wow. I love shrimp and grits. This has like a poached egg, like a corn salsa. I think this is sausage.
Yum.
And then this sauce, it looks incredible.
It looks so good.
Okay, let me get a bite. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything in there.
Alright.
Shrimp is going to be hard to get, actually. Okay. Let's try it. Oh my word. Yes. The flavor is insane. It's literally bursting with flavor. The little sauce, it's just like perfect. Every component perfectly together. One thing Disney knows how to do. Yeah, your finger is over to the camera. One thing Disney knows how to make is shrimp and grits at is it Boatwright's in Port Orleans? Love their shrimp and grits. This, I was a little bit worried to see how they did it. This might be better than Boatwright's. It's amazing.
How's yours?
Best steak I've ever had.
Wow. They brought over, oh, that's so cute. You broke it, but it's okay.
Yeah, because it was fun. I want to do this. I just really want to eat an ear first.
Okay. What flavor is it?
I think strawberry.
You guys, which this is a DVC room, and I'm pretty sure Old Key West was the very first DVC resort. But it's got a coffee maker, and then we got our Joffrey's, of course, toaster, oven and stove, which we're only here for one night, so all this feels like it's sad because we won't be able to use it. But we'll be at Grand Floridian tomorrow. Anyway, this is so, so nice. Wow, very nice. Look at you, so pretty. How are you?
Good.
What do you think of Old Key West?
I like it a lot. It's very pretty.
Yeah, it is. And this out here is so peaceful.
We got a very nice room.
Yes, we do. I love it. So, very nice. Getting ready to head to Disney Springs and then Animal Kingdom Lodge for dinner and a surprise.
And nothing else.
And nothing else, just a birthday surprise.
I iced
All right,
coffee.
so here's the deal, folks. I'm talking low tones because we're getting ready to head to Disney Springs, but tonight, Hayden is proposing to Camryn. She's in the house or the room, whatever. The house. She does not know. She's very suspicious. She's very much on high alert. And we're trying to be nonchalant, like it's just a birthday dinner. But we've been planning this for quite some time. His parents are here. She does not know that. And Riley, my other daughter, is here, but she does not know that either. And she's looking at me right now. So anyway, we're gonna go eat dinner and it's gonna be good. We've never been to Boma before, so we're excited to try it out. And we will be vlogging our evening. Ready? Camryn, hello. You ready for your birthday dinner?
I am.
We're on the bus. First birthday bus. We're at Disney Springs. Are you excited to see your man?
Very.
He'll be here. We're meeting up with Hayden Hurst.
Wait, are we closer
We don't know where
to
we
this
are.
side? Dang it! I told him to go to World of Disney. It's like the opposite direction.
They found each other. They're so happy. She left us in the dust. Got our Joffrey's mango iced tea.
Mango tango smoothie.
We're mango crazy. Okay, you guys, look, I just had to lie so bad. Camryn is in World of Disney. We met up with Hayden. Hensley's in there. But Riley was on the bus coming from Disney Springs. We were waiting on a bus to go to Disney Springs. Ends up, Riley was on the bus. We were getting ready to get on. So I had to lie and tell Camryn to look away because I thought that we saw somebody that we recognized and we didn't want to see them. I was like, look away, just don't. She's like, what is it, Mom? What is it? I was like, just don't, I need you to trust me. Just look away. Well, we missed the bus because we couldn't get on it. If we got on the bus, Riley was sitting on it. So I had to lie so bad. And then she was like, who was it? And so I told her, I was like, it's somebody you just don't want to see. Don't worry about it. Lord, if Jesus comes back right now, I'm done for because I've lied so much. But anyways, all is well right now. I think she fell for it.
Riley
We
did
only
fall.
have Riley fell.
Yes, so she said that she had her suitcase and she kind of stepped back and she hadn't sit down yet and the driver started going and she said she fell all the way back
poor thing.
and her suitcase hit her and the old couple in the bus next to her were like, oh,
Bless her, Jesus. The things we're going through right now to make this happen. But anyways, we're gonna leave here in a few minutes and head to the Animal Kingdom Lodge. And hopefully, if we can keep it up for another 45 minutes to an hour, we should be okay. So, wish us luck.
Hey guys.
Welcome to the vlog.
Oh, I thought we were taking a picture.
No.
Hey guys.
Okay, what'd you get?
All right, let's show them our haul.
Okay, go ahead.
I got this.
Oh, yes. Big reveal. Boom. Nice. You're going to make a great Disney dad one day.
It's true. It's true. Okay.
Oh, that's so
I had a
cute.
different one, but he saw this one and it's cute.
That's
It's
adorable.
I didn't force her to buy that.
He made me buy it. He hated the other one.
That's super cute. All right, good. That's a good purchase.
Yeah.
I
We're
like
going
it.
to find a magic band now.
All right,
Look at them.
let's go find a magic band.
friend.
Riley's here. She took pictures. They're looking at the giraffe right now, but we got it done, and now I can stop lying. So, yay me. That light. Smile. It's a video. Yay!